Welcome back again. Now in this video we will do some questions based on the triangle inequality. So here the first question says a point O is in the interior of triangle ABC. Use the symbols greater, lesser or equals to make the following statements true. So first is OA plus OB bracket AB. Second is OB plus OC bracket BC, and third is OA plus OC box AC. I have to fill these three boxes, and then also I have to show that AB plus BC plus AC is less than 2 of OA plus OB plus BC OC. Now I have made one triangle here. Here we can see that O is in the interior of the triangle ABC. O is coming in the interior of triangle ABC, and hence there are three triangles forming. One is, I am naming it as one triangle AOB, two triangle BOC, and three triangle AOC. I have to see these three triangles with the help of triangle inequality. As my triangle inequality says that sum of any two sides should be greater than the third side, and this is the only thing we will be proving here. As first we will see in triangle AOB, as due to this statement by triangle inequality, can I say that OA plus OB will be greater than AB? Obviously, as it is a triangle. Then in triangle, another triangle BOC, OB plus OC will be greater than BC. Another triangle AOC, OA plus OC will be greater than AC. Now we know with the conditions it is being satisfied here that sum of two sides is greater than the third side. So here we can fill it up that OA plus OB is greater, OB plus OC is greater, and OC plus OA is greater. Now further we have to prove this part. What we will do, take it as 1, 2, 3. Add 1, 2, 3. So what will I get? OA plus OB plus OB plus OC plus OA plus OC greater than AB plus BC plus AC. Now you can see there are 2 OA, 2 OB and 2 OC. If we will combine, there will be 2 OP, 2 OC, which will be greater than AB plus BC plus AC. Now if I take 2 as common, OA plus OB plus OC is greater than AB plus BC plus AC. Hence we have shown what we have to show here. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now my next question is, the length of the two sides of a triangle is 6 cm and 8 cm. Between which two numbers can the third side fall? So I have made one triangle here just for the explanation of the question. The question here is that if our triangle is ABC and I have two sides, what could be the possible third side so that the triangle can be formed? Just to explain the question, I have taken one triangle here. Now We know by triangle inequality, by triangle inequality, so by triangle inequality we know that sum of two sides is always greater than the third side. It is pretty clear to us about this thing. Now let the third side be L. I am just letting one side that I have to calculate or have to find is L, just for the equation to be solved. Then ATQ, according to question or according to properties, L must be smaller than 6 plus 8, because my property says here about this thing. So what could be the thing? And we can see that L must be smaller than 14 centimeter. Now if L must be smaller than 14 centimeter, again we must know the difference between two sides is less than the third side. Now again we know that the difference between the two sides is less than the third side. The difference of 6 and 8 must be less than the third side. Then also the triangle will be formed. This is also a condition that we have to take care. So L must be greater than 8 minus 6 centimeter. So L must be greater than 2 centimeter. Hence, the value of L will likely to lie between the 2 centimeter and 14 centimeter. It is important. Therefore, the third side lies between 2 centimeter to 14 centimeter. And this is the answer for the question. I hope you all able to understand the two types of question we have discussed. The other questions that are given in the worksheet, it is similar to these questions, and I hope that all of you will be able to do it. Thank you.